Harford County has made a big bust, breaking up what they say was one of the biggest drug distribution rings they've seen.
All right, sheriff's deputies ready? They seized crack, marijuana, cocaine, thousands of dollars in cash. They put more than a dozen people in jail. ABC 2 News' Roosevelt Leftwich joins us now with the very latest. Rosie.
Well, Jamie, the wiretap investigation spanned all the way to Georgia as deputies tracked the movement and distribution of drugs and an escalation of violence in the county for months. This is just about a week's worth of drugs and cash that flowed through the hands of the Harford County gang called World's Most Dangerous, or WMD. That's more than $100,000 in cash, 4 kilos of powdered cocaine, 2 kilos of crack, and about 2 pounds of marijuana. At a news conference, the Sheriff's Department says the gang was responsible for a trail of guns and violence that stretched from the streets of Edgewood all the way to the streets of Atlanta. They were able to catch them because, well, they talked too much.
Listening to those conversations led us to their mid-level suppliers in Baltimore City. From then, we were able to spin off and get wiretap orders for those mid-level dealers in Baltimore City. And during that continuing investigation, which was more undercover work, surveillance of that nature, we were ultimately able to identify the suppliers in Atlanta, Georgia.
21 people total are facing charges. 13 people pictured here were arrested in this area and are facing state charges. The remaining 8 are facing federal drug charges. The dragnet also caught one of the county's most wanted men, Isaiah Siebert, who was wanted on drug charges. Arrests were made after raids on several streets in Edgewood, while authorities helped round up other suspects caught on wiretaps in Baltimore City and as far away as Georgia, Texas, and California. This all started back in December after a spike in drug violence led deputies to place several people under electronic surveillance. They say the months of investigation has effectively shut WMD down.
Those thugs who bring drugs into our county to poison and kill our children, we are looking for you, and sooner or later we will find you. You are not welcome in Harford County.
Now, deputies say the investigation is not over. They're still getting information that they hope could lead to more arrests. Roosevelt Leftwich, ABC 2 News.